Could Shytoshi Kusama actually leave Shiba Inu? Well, he's hinting that he might leave SHIB. Top Shiba Inu member shares ways to help SHIB as well. Could he pull a Ryoshi? I don't know. I mean, and would it be a bad thing? We're going to talk about all that in this video. Of course, Shytoshi's done so much to propel this community after Ryoshi decided to step down. Shytoshi has gone through a lot. I'm telling you, what comes at him every single day, I would not want to be in those shoes, right? But we're going to dive into this. The story was out there. You today put it out there. We're going to dive into it. Also, we're going to take a look at the price of SHIB because that is on the up and up right now, and meme coins in general on the up and up. Of course, SHIB created as a meme, now moving into that utility space, and maybe that's what Shytoshi's thinking. Maybe he says, once everything is built and can run itself, maybe I just step down and let the community run it, right? Because that's kind of what SHIB's built on anyway. This is a community-driven project. The community should have the say-so, right? And that is the whole crux of why SHIB was even developed in the first place, a fully decentralized ecosystem. So maybe once Shibarium is built out, the metaverse is built out, the community itself can literally take the torch and do whatever they want with it from there forward. But let's dive into it, because in a recently published blog post, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, widely known in the crypto community as Shy, or Shytoshi Kusama, shared several major upgrades that have been introduced to the SHIB ecosystem. Shy also wrote something that may be interpreted as a hint about departing from SHIB, though. So this was interesting. Shiba Inu News, new partnership, in parentheses, world paper. So the lead dev mentioned a new collaboration with Champion Apparel in order to create SHIB-themed merchandise, and Hewlett-Packard, which printed the first batch of Shibical SHIB-themed NFC authentication tags, special SHIB collectors items to let SHIB fans identify each other. Now, aside from those, a pre-order for SHIB-themed hoodies has been created, and a lot of people are pre-ordering those clothing items. Kusama also wrote about the release of the world paper. The goal of this will be to tell a wide part of the world about Shibarium and the SHIB ecosystem, about tokens, platforms, products. It'll be different from the wolf paper, Shytoshi stressed. The latter is about changing the world via decentralization. However, the first thing to finish next is the Shibarium Layer 2 network. This is coming per Shy. So, it says here, my position, whatever you want to term it, will no longer be necessary. Basically, once Shibarium is out. Apart from teasing the updates, Kusama stated that his role may become less necessary in the future of the SHIB ecosystem once Shibarium and the metaverse are here. This will happen, according to him, after the SHIB team attains multi-token governance, finalize all Ryoshi checklist items, including ShibaCon, complete all initiatives, Shiba Eternity Game, DAOs, Shibarium, and prove to the world that we not only start strong, but we finish even stronger. Shy seems to be hinting that he will leave the project eventually, following in the footsteps of the mysterious SHIB founder known as Ryoshi did before him. A top member of the SHIB team, of course Lucy, responded to a question that apparently has been asked by a lot of SHIB members. How can they help the SHIB ecosystem? Lucy shared a screenshot with answers that are provided by another part of the SHIB team. Those methods are to spread the word about the project and its goals, to become a SHIB holder, to become an active member in the community, to build decentralized apps if you're a developer, to make donations to the SHIB team, and finally, to burn Shiba Inu tokens, send them to unsuspendable wallets. These are all ways that we, the community, we as Shiba Inu, we are Shiba Inu. This is all how we can make a difference. This is how we can make an impact. It's interesting because Shytoshi, of course, kind of has taken the torch from Ryoshi, but once he gets us across the finish line, I think the rest is up to us. What do you guys think? Down below. Oh, by the way, price action. Forgot about that. Let me dive into that real quick. Always forget to take a look at the price. This is how you know I'm a long-term thinker when it comes to SHIB. I don't really care about short-term price action, but we are up 6%. That is good to see. Volume is really ramped up, guys. That's a really positive thing, too. 370 million in the last 24 hours. That's big time. A huge chunk of that through centralized exchange and, of course, through Binance. So good to see. SHIB did pop up all the way to the 8.4 range, by the way, in the last 24 hours. Dialing back a little bit, but so is everything in crypto. As you can see, the pullback happening here with probably a healthy pullback. that is what we got for you here. This is the big story right now in the SHIB ecosystem. Shytoshi could step down completely when it's all said and done and pass the torch to all of us. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Peace.